Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to activate the touchscreen after you upgrade from CCFL to our Sunlight Readable LED kits. As you can see this one, you see the symptoms, you can touch anything and there's not much you can do. Okay, so what causing this after upgrade LED, I'm going to show you on this video. Let's take a look at this model first. We can shut it off first. And then it's a 2711P-RDT10CB. It's pretty common model. So basically I'm going to remove this logic boards, take the whole thing out, and then show you how to do it and make it works. Okay, on next video. So I just removed the touch panel here and then the LCD screen from here. As you can see, you take a look, we already upgraded LED. See, LED driver mount here. Here's original CCFL. This is the inverter circuit, and this is the MCU. What happened? The touchscreen doesn't work is that when there's no backlight connected to it, this circuit will shut off and sends back signal to here. Tell them, hey, the screen's not working, the backlight's not working, and disable the touch screens. So what we can do is that we're going to remove the enable circuit from this IC, which is a UIJ. This is a 16-pin connector on the pin 2. We're going to remove this and so we can enable the touchscreen. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to basically just remove the pin, let the pin 2 no contact to the circuit board. That should do the tricks. Okay. Okay, I just desoldered this pin 2 and lift up, make sure there's no contact to the circuit board. I'm not sure you can see it clearly or not. It's this pin 2. Okay, this one. Okay, so just tilt it up, make sure no contact to the circuit board. Now I'm going to put the screen back, everything back. We could test it. So remember, this is 16-pin IC, so you just leave it the pin 2, and then just if you're in the field, you can just use a wire cutter to remove the pin 2. That should be fine. But make sure you remove the right pin, this IC. Okay, pin 2. Right, on next video I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, I move I put everything back, logic board back. I let the system put the units. Also, you can see, there's the touch screens now is working right now. So, okay, we go back. You see this? Oh, this. Let me shut off the overhead light. Okay, it's a little bit easier. So you could it's easy, just enter. It's working. Go back. Oh, that's it. See. So everything's working. Okay, so after you upgrade LED, make sure it depends on what kind of motherboard is it. What kind of main board is that? You could do it. The trick that I just showed you, remove the pin 2 on the IC for as well as the 7.5-inch, 7-inch, what we call it, PanelView 700 plus. 7-inch PanelView 700 plus. Again, it depends on the main board, and some of the models you don't have to do anything. And for example, this is a 12.1-inch, and the PanelView a plus 1250 as well, some 15 inches. So if you have any questions after you upgrade the LED, there's problem with the touchscreen, just shoot me an email. So I will try my best to help you out. Okay, nice and bright. Thank you for watching.